Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And friend, today we are going to learn Hailuo AI. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you a step-by-step process to explain and give you the best example how you can use Hailuo AI to generate videos, text and other operations. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Hailuo AI website. So we are going to simply on google.com, and here we are going to search Hailuo. Friends, Hailuo AI is one of the best website where you can generate professional videos, and also you can generate video by text and images. So first thing first, we are going to logging into this website. So friend, this is the overview of the website. Okay, whenever you want to logged in with this website, you must have your email ID of your Gmail. You simply click on it and you will get this option. So if you want to log in with your Gmail account and Apple ID, you can do that. Right now I have my Gmail account, so I'm going to click on it. And this will ask me some permission. So here I'm going to select the ID which I want to select as a login, and now I'm logged in with this email ID. Okay, this will ask you some information, what is the latest things this provided. Text to image generation now available, so you can also generate text to image. So here I click on this, I got it. So I will use in as an example into it. Okay, so now I'm logged in with this website, and here what you can do. So friend, let's see the examples, what things this website is done by. Friend, you can see that, let me mute these things. And here friend, you can see that this type of professional video you can make by just only prompt. Okay, you just simply add the prompt and this website is generate a realistic video for you. Here friend, you can see that the other thing, this is realistic video. You can see these are the different examples right now I'm going to share with you. And friend, upcoming videos I will show you a real example how to generate a best video. Okay, here right now we are going to see the overview of the website, what things this website can do for you, and after that I will share with you step-by-step process to use this website, what things you can do. Okay, so friend, right now you can see lots of things are showing. This is the very latest. You can see that this is the VFX. Let's see, this is how look amazing. You can see that this is the VFX effect by the prompt. Okay, also we will see this one, this is generated by AI. You see that what is the quality of this video, right? Now we are going to see the another example. Okay, this is the fight things in war area. You can see that this is really amazing. You can see that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the another things which is looking good. Okay, here you can see that this is Pikachu, right? How this is look like amazing, right? Here we are going to see the another things, like here you can see this one, this is the dragon, right? This is generated by AI. You believe it? These types of things you can do. Okay, and here we are going to see lots of things. Here you can see these things, very realistic VFX effects. Okay, so this is the thing friends, you can do a very unique video by this AI tool, and this tool will give you the best facilities to generate VFX video with realistic videos. Okay, so let's see the interface, what things you can do. So right now we are going to explain you what things you can do by this website. So friend, here you can do three things. One thing is you can generate video. Here you can see that this is the video section, so you can create video. Okay, so this is the interface, and here you can generate your videos. So friend, here you can generate video by image. If you want to generate any video, you can post the image and that will generate as a video. Okay, here you just explain about the scene and camera. Okay, so that moment you can add over here. Second things you can do, text to video. So if you want to generate a realistic video with VFX effect, you must explain what is your camera angle, what is the subject, which type of activity will be there. These all things you can put into prompt and that will generate a realistic video for you. Okay, this is the subject reference. This is the guideline. You can read all the things how this can work for you, so you will get the idea about it, right? So these are the things. Now here, this is the model. Which model you want, you can select. These are the latest model right now. This is launched by this AI tool, and this is the second things, and this is the third. Okay, these are the models you can use, and this is specially for the camera control movement, like front, top, back, side. You can mention all the things in the prompt and that will generate by this way. And whenever you generate the video, that time it will take these type of things of these tokens. Okay, and here you will get the result how this video look like. Okay, so friend, this is the interface of this Hailuo AI, and now I'm going to show you what things you can do, right? So friend, here you can see the another thing like chat. You also used chat GTP. This is the same tool. You can generate text, and that text you can use into this video generation tool, right? So here you can easily apply or give your prompt and that will generate information for you, right? This is the second thing, the audio part. If you want to generate the realistic audio or voiceover, you can simply use this way. You can get the audio from this website. So friend, this is very important website where you can do three things. One, you can generate video with the realistic VFX videos. Second thing, you can also chat with this tool like chat GTP. You can give your questions and your prompt and you will get the answer from this AI tool. Also you can generate audio like AI voiceover. You can generate by this website. Here you can do three things to get a perfect result about chat and audio and video. So friend, next video I'm going to show you what is prompt and how you can give the best prompt to generate video. Keep watching. Stay tuned.